This is the I Ching's answer. Omen.
Great success. Blessed is the one that acts according to heaven norms, bringing something new into life.
Advice.
This is the moment to be strong and enduring.
Symbol.
6 dragons are seen flying through the sky. The sky has room for everybody.
The image.
Imagine it is a time at night, and the full moon is seen behind clouds that resemble a deer. This means that what you desire will be given by heaven. Under the moonlight, there is a wise old man polishing a jade piece. When you come closer, he extends the piece to you, saying, "This is the image of you. Take it high, and let the light of the moon pass through it." He points you and stare, and you take the stone with you. At every step, the light of your gem shines more and more, until it reaches everywhere. This means that your rise will be gradual and smooth, that the light of your idea or project must be constant and shown to the world. The best you prepare yourself, the shiner will be the jewel that you carry with you. Prepare yourself. The life is there to give you everything you need. If you decide to take this first step, the first step to a successful life, be enduring like heavens.
Hexagram 1. The heaven, the leader, the origin, the founder. This is a hexagram of April. It is good in spring and winter, bad in summer. The predominant stage.
There are blessings and rank given by heaven. Through training and discipline, one can be useful. Heaven embraces everything. Be visible and brilliant. There will be smooth and continuous advance. It can be understood as life, not only in a biological sense, but also in a spiritual or mystical one. Great new beginnings full of power. Smooth progress and advance not interrupted or disturbed by difficulties. There should be commitment to be everlasting and constant. There is advantage that brings benefits that come by acting with propriety in each situation. Persistence, the gift of maintaining what you've got. Leader is the one that knows how to set everyone on the right position and that takes care of them. It is a sense sure. This is an advanced person or enlightened of being close to ordinary people and to promote peace. An advanced person knows how to give it all without feeling tired. Remember to follow the 4 rules. Be active. This is origin. Do things step by step. This is etiquette. Be kind-hearted and be firm. This is to be true.
Heaven stays together, either day or night. Your mind, your heart, and your actions bring together life. Like and subscribe. The mobile or mutable lines for your hexagrams video is right below on the description. The complete list and table of hexagrams is also in the description. Next, interpretations related to love, laboral development, inner development, and social networks. About love.
What you desire will be achieved rapidly. If you are asking for a romantic prospect, stop fearing. The relationship will bloom and prosper. If you are asking about a birth, the moment is close and everything is all right. If you ask about getting pregnant, this moment is propitious for anything that is related to new origins, especially for a new family or family member. There is a quick advance. Remember to follow the 4 rules. Be active. This is origin. Do things step by step. This is etiquette. Be kind-hearted and be firm. This is to be true. This is a good omen for a new romance or starting a romantic relationship. It is a good omen for birds. Heaven means you can go everywhere. All roads or possibilities are open and available.
About work and business.
If you had doubts about asking for a rise or hesitating about a new job or showing a new project, doubt no more. It is time to step up. If you are a creator and have any new content, it is a time to show it off. On politics, it is time to elect new leaders. If you don't speak up, you won't get it. The key for success is to be prepared. Remember this. Be creative, active, show your work. If a leader is needed, it is time for you to step up. Remember to follow the 4 rules. Be active. This is origin. Do things step by step. This is etiquette. Be kind-hearted and be firm. This is be true. Training and preparation guarantee success.
About personal development.
You enjoy the energies of a new cycle. It is like the heavens belong to you. It is a time for clarity of mind. If you are starting or looking for a new profession or activity, the things are about to clear up. It could be optimum to start on something you are qualified to do and have resources to do it. Imagine that you are descending on a parachute from the sky and you can see all the landscape clearly. Your goal is visible. Once on land, prepare yourself the best you can and always keep in mind your goal and the route you plan from above. How beautiful it is when a new cycle begins. After restarting the I Ching cycle, everything is clear at the beginning. You can see through the mountains, understand the world. Like a plant rising towards the sky, only the gods could tell how high you are going to get.
Networks and social media.
As you can see, this moment is full of chi for creators, because they repeat the mandate of heavens. Take this blessing to boost your projects. Remember the 4 principles. Be active to get closer to your goal. Try to get all the needed resources and get prepared. Get help and provisions. This is to make things step by step. Be kind. It is easy to say, but remember that it is the sum of being grateful with life and for the chance to create, and the love you feel for what you do. Everyone helping you must feel this love too. At last, be firm and everlasting. You must pursue your goal. Starting something always brings the blessing of heavens, because it is like repeating its command. There is a clear vision of what you want. You know that if you can think of it, then you can do it. Good omen for any starting project. Creativity is the key. Go after the benefit. Never give up. Be active. Go step by step. Be kind-hearted. Be firm.
We need your support. Your likes and comments is like chi that transforms into good karma. Subscribe and share.